I reached my first class, which is math. It's in that room, and I'll talk to you guys later. I just got done with my second class. It was econ. Now I'm heading for I'm just gonna go eat something, and then because I have a 1 hour break, and then I'm gonna head for my public speaking class. I'm gonna head for my public speaking class, which is at 2 o'clock. And I'm heading right there right now. Done with all my classes. I'm back at my dorm now. I'm just gonna do some work on my laptop, and then maybe go for squash later on, or maybe to the gym. I'm heading out to play squash right now with a buddy of mine at the closest squash courts. I just got done playing squash. Now I'm heading back to my dorm. Might have a bath and then eat something. Just got done having a shower. I'm gonna go to my dorm and grab something to eat. Let's go. Guys, it's night now. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm just chilling. Finished some of my homework. I'd gone to dinner. I had some sandwiches, and then I was just chilling with friends. And I'm just back home, back in my dorm. Gonna go to sleep soon.